Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply schedule a meeting in Zoom. So what you want to do is just click on the Zoom application and click here on schedule. It's like the third thing. Now you can just write here Marek, that's my name in Slovak language, and then we're gonna see the date here. That okay, I can go I don't know, September to 29 from 2. I can change the time zone. I can repeat it if I want to. I can have the require meeting passcode if you want to. That's again up to you. Use personal meeting ID. You can have it if you want. And meeting options like host video on, participants video on. You don't have to have it or no. You can also allow join before host. Automatically record meeting. So this is how we do it. And yeah, and record location, you can change that or have it for local computer that's in mobile if you don't have it in computer. So yeah, and then just click done. Yes. Now we don't need to. So this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.